Good morning, students. Welcome to the maths class. Again, we are going to continue our chapter long and short. Come to the page number 54. Guess and check. Activity 1. Find some things that look 1 meter long. Use your meter rope to find which of these things are more or less than 1 meter. Children, this is a table of the things like length of a table, width of a table, width of door, length of door. In this, you have to measure the things and you have to write down yes or no. If the length of the table is more than 1 meter, then you can put tick or you can write yes, or if it is less than 1 meter, you can write no. Okay. There are two activities, 1 and 2, and these two activities you have to be do by yourself. See, activity 2. Some class 3rd children have marked a 1 meter height on the wall of their class. You can also mark 1 meter on your class wall. Now make a chart of the heights of your friends. To measure the centimeters, you can use your small scale. Children, this is a table, and in this you can write the name of your friends, and you can measure their height in the centimeters with the help of using small scale. See, in this table, here it is written Shambhu, taller, shorter, equal to 1 meter. Whether the Shambhu is taller or shorter, or his height is equal to 1 meter, then here it is written taller. How many centimeters more or less than a meter? Here it is written 4 centimeter. In the same way, you can do this, or you can complete this table. Clear? Now come to the next page. This work is you have already done in your homework. Now next one is trip to Agra. Mary and Baichung are going with their family to Agra. They get down at Agra Kent railway station and take a rickshaw to Taj Mahal. After 3 hours, they start for Agra Fort, again in a rickshaw. In the afternoon, they take a bus to go to Fatehpur Sikri. Children, here is a map of Agra. See, now look at the distances between these places. For kilometers, we always write km means kilometer, and 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter, and 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. Clear? Here, this is a map of Agra. You can see here is the Babarpur forest, Agra Fort, Taj Mahal, River Yamuna. This is Taj Forest, Agra Kent Railway Station, Fatehpur Sikri. Here, Mary and Baichung, they are going with their family to Agra, and they get down at Agra Railway Station, and at this station they take a rickshaw to the Taj Mahal. ठीक है, यहाँ से उन्होंने रिक्शा लिया ताजमहल जाने के लिए. After 3 hours, they start for Agra Fort, again in a rickshaw. In the afternoon, they take bus to go to the Fatehpur Sikri. See, Agra Kent railway station to Taj Mahal 5 km. Children, see, this is Agra Kent railway station and this is Taj Mahal. The distance between from the Agra Kent to Taj Mahal is 5 km. Taj Mahal to Agra Fort. This is Taj Mahal and this is Agra Fort. The distance between these two are 2 km. And Agra Fort to Fatehpur Sikri is 40 km. Now you have to find from this map that which is farther from Agra Kent railway station, Taj Mahal or Fatehpur Sikri. You have to find out that whether the Taj Mahal is farther from Agra Kent or Fatehpur Sikri. See, this is Agra Kent railway station, this is Taj Mahal and this is Fatehpur Sikri. So which one is farther? कौन सा दूर है? Fatehpur Sikri. This is farther from Agra Kent. So you can write here Fatehpur Sikri. This track shows the railway line. This is the railway line. Clear? Which of these is nearer to the railway line? Babarpur Forest or Taj Forest? See, in this map, here is Babarpur Forest or this is Taj Forest. Which one is nearer to the railway line? Here is the railway line. And Babarpur यहाँ पर है और Taj Forest यहाँ पर है. तो which one is nearer? Babarpur Forest is nearer to this railway line. So you can write here Babarpur Forest. Agra Fort or Taj Mahal? Which one is nearer to the railway line? Here is Agra Fort and here is Taj Mahal. So which one is nearer? Agra Fort is nearer to the railway line. So you can write down Agra Fort. Closer to the river Yamuna, Taj Mahal or the railway station. Children, see, this is river Yamuna, this is Taj Mahal or this is the railway station. I think you already know that the Taj Mahal is situated on the bank of river Yamuna. So which one is nearer? Taj Mahal is nearer to the river Yamuna because Agra Kent is, and because the distance between the Agra Kent and Taj Mahal is 5 km. So our answer is Taj Mahal. Taj Mahal is nearer to the river Yamuna. Now come to the next page. The page number 58 you have already done in your homework. Now come to the last page, number 59 of this chapter, the long tail competition. The animals in this picture had a competition. The animal who had the longest tail won a prize. Now, who do you think won the first prize and who won the second? Just guess the length of the longest tail. Children, see, in this you have to find out the animal who had the longest tail or who had the smallest tail. See, there are 6 animals. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. See, this is a monkey, this is a pig, this is cow, this is lizard, this is an elephant, this is a rat. I think that the tail of the monkey is big. See, the tail of the monkey is big. This is also small. And the tail of elephant is also small. The tail of lizards is also small. And the second one is the tail of the cow. So who will won the first prize? Monkey, because monkey has the longest tail among these all animals. So you can write down monkey won the first prize and cow will won the second prize. I hope you understood the complete chapter, long and short, and keep revising it, keep watching videos again and again to understand your concepts. If you have any doubt, you can call me or you can contact me. Thank you.